Hi, my name is Sharon Davenport, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my mobile app, which is called Behance. Behance is part of the Adobe software, and it's the leading online platform to showcase and discover creative work. You can also download this app on your phone, and I'm currently showing it to you on my laptop. Um, Behance, creative people all around the world join Behance. It's totally free. Um, it's they get onto this platform so they can share their work with people from all over. Um, Behance members can follow your profile, and you, in turn, can follow their profile. And as you can see here, here are some different artists, and you can choose whatever type of art you're looking for, like photography, illustration, graphic design. Um, you can like their photos right here, or you can follow them, whatever artists. I haven't chosen any yet to follow, but you can follow them and then it'll show up here. Um, there's live streams that you can do or you can follow on here. If you're looking for a person to create something for you, you can come on here and you can look and see if any of these artists meet what you're looking for. Also, if you are looking for a job, you can also look on here for a job. On Behance, you can create mood boards, and these mood boards, we usually create them to kind of motivate you. Some of us as artists may get stuck on ideas, so you can come in here and you can create mood boards, which can motivate you and inspire you on your next piece of work. I just created this account, so I haven't really created a mood board yet. But I think on here, if you go to For You, here you can upload images, but this is not what I was looking for to share with you. I was trying to see where you can do your mood boards. There was when I opened up this program, there was a pop-up box that came up where you can create mood boards and then also create your portfolio to share. Let's see if it's under here. So no, these would be if you're looking for artist. And what I had liked about when I looked on here is that if I click on a particular artist, like if I decide to follow them, I'll click here, I can send them a message, but I can also see what kind of tools they use to create this piece of art, which I thought was pretty cool. So I wanted to show you that. Okay, so this is where you would create your project, and then you will be able to share it. So once you create your project, you click on here. Here you could either upload your images. So here's your little tools that you can use to create your project. Then once you're finished, like I said, I haven't really created anything yet, but you can upload or add a link, and you can then share your work with either you can share it here on this website, or then you can also do live streams where you can actually have a live stream, a recording of what you're working on, and you can put that on there as well. It's really, really cool. How I'm going to use it in the classroom. I think my students are way too young. I think this would mostly be beneficial for maybe middle or high schoolers. I teach elementary, so this might be a little bit too much for them. But you can use it instead of having students write, they can also create some type of project to show their understanding of whatever assignment that you gave them. Either it's reading, a text, if they read a book and you want them to create some type of project to show their understanding of that text, is probably how I would use it in my classroom. And then I put that, from a personal note, if you're an artist and you're looking for work, or if you are an artist and you're looking for someone to work for you, this would be beneficial. So like I said, it's free, it's really cool. You can come on here and play around with it, sign up, and look at all these different art pieces that's on here. And you can also learn a little bit more. Like I said, here's are all the different types of designs that you can look at, to help you be inspired. So this is my my mobile app. I think it's pretty cool. I just don't think it would be too beneficial, like I said, for my elementary students. But it was really cool learning about it. Thank you.